big debate. Can Bapu's prayer to unite all Indians be communalized today? PDP chief Mehbooba Mufti today injected a religious spin when young Kashmiri children sang the all-faith prayer, Ishwar Allah Tero Naam, Raghupati Raghav Raja Ram. They chanted this in preparation for Gandhi Jayanti celebrations in their school to hail the Mahatma, the father of our nation. Yet, Mehbooba Mufti now claims that the BJP was pushing its Hindutva agenda in Kashmir by forcing Muslim children to sing Hindu bhajans in schools. She has also called this an attack on Islam. Let's listen in to Mehbooba Mufti.
हर मज़हब के लोग रहते हैं और हमारे आइन, हमारे कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन ने चाहे वो हिंदू हो, मुसलमान हो, सिख हो, ईसाई हो, बौद्ध हो, सबको इख्तियार दिया है कि वो अपने मज़हब का फॉलो अप करे। और यही वजह है कि जो जम्मू कश्मीर एक मुस्लिम मेजॉरिटी स्टेट होने के बावजूद उन्होंने पाकिस्तान को दरकिनार करके एक जमहूरी हिंदुस्तान के साथ हाथ मिलाया, एक सेकुलर हिंदुस्तान के साथ हाथ मिलाया। हमारे स्कूल के बच्चों को जो मुस्लिम बच्चे हैं, देखिए हम हिंदू मुसलमान में फ़र्क नहीं करते हैं, मगर हर एक को हक दिया है हमारे कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन ने अपने अपने मज़हब को फॉलो करने का। और इन बच्चों को जो भजन है वो इनसे उनको गाने के लिए कहा जाता है उनको। तो मुझे लगता है कि ये अब हमारे मज़हब के ऊपर सीधे एक हिसाब से अटैक कर रहे हैं।
Well, the question we are asking on the News Hour tonight is, what is communal or Hindutva about Raghupati Raghav? And joining me tonight on the debate, Shehzad Poonawalla, spokesperson of the BJP, and Majid Hydari, Kashmiri activist. Shehzad Poonawalla, even Raghupati Raghav Raja Ram, the Bapu's prayer for unifying India, has now been termed absolutely communal by Mehbooba Mufti. Is there a problem in the thought process that they want to spread in Kashmir?
पर ये तो होना ही था. The level of appeasement politics today has reduced to Mr. Majid Hydari, Mehbooba Mufti and his ilk finding Yasin Malik as an ambassador of peace and Mahatma Gandhi as communal. This was bound to happen. Look at this way. These are the same people when 370 was removed, they called it communal. Today when the Dalits and the women of Jammu Kashmir get rights, they call it communal. Today when the tricolor flutters from Lal Killa to Lal Chowk, they call it communal. Today I just have one question for Majid Hydari, that if this is communal, this is Sampradayak, Ishwar Allah Tero Naam, when Ralif Salif Galif, these naras were given from the masjids and Kashmiri Hindus were forced for a genocide, will he call this Islamic jihad?
Majid Hydari, respond.
Well, Shehzad bhai, Raghupati Raghav Raja Ram Patite Pavan Sita Ram. I mean, this is the revered hymn of my Hindu brothers. But this Gandhian bhajan is neither our national anthem, nor our national song, and not anywhere in the constitution of the country. I don't know why and how come you can enforce it on the Muslim students as being a nationalist sentiment or an endeavor of nationalism.
Don't Muslim students treat Gandhiji as the father of the nation?
Yes, they do. Everybody does.
And
but this is about a bhajan, a Hindu bhajan.
2nd October, the Gandhi Jayanti around the corner?
गांधी जयंती आज बड़ा गांधी जी पे प्यार आया है, बेहद और बेहिसाब आया है, but let's understand that this is more as a part of our constitutional values. Gandhi ji, we have respect for Gandhi ji, we have respect for his values, but his time, this Hindu hymn is about the Hindu brothers, not for the Muslim community. You can't enforce it on us because we have issues. ईश्वर अल्लाह तेरो नाम सबको सम्मति दे अल्लाह.
तो भी आपको तकलीफ है?
नहीं, हमें प्रॉब्लम ये है कि जब हम ये भजन गाएंगे तो हमारा धर्म भ्रष्ट हो जाएगा. या तो आप ये कहिए कि ईश्वर अल्लाह तेरो नाम सबको सम्मति दे अल्लाह.
He said, Mr. Majid, because it's a short debate, let me ask you something. You said that because it's not in the constitution, why should we sing it? Okay, no problem. National song is Vande Mataram, will you sing it? And Yasin Malik was convicted by a court of law under the constitution. Do you consider him as a terrorist?
See, I take a very strong exception of you comparing Mahatma Gandhi with Yasin Malik. You take your words.
I have not compared it. I have compared something else. No, only a person of your education and understanding could derive that from Yasin Malik being convicted by a court of law. Do you accept him as a terrorist? Yes or no?
Mahatma Gandhi, and this is how BJP has always trivialized Mahatma Gandhi and his contribution in the freedom struggle. If we are free
आपको
to here because
रघुपति
of Mahatma
राघव
Gandhi,
गाने
not
में
because of any
परहेज हो
Godse or
रहा है
Savarkar.
और आप सवाल
Majid, one
सवाल
second. Majid
बीजेपी
has
से पूछ रहे हैं।
educated himself in a convent. He's not gone to a madrasa or any other institution where English is not.
Alhamdulillah, I have read in a missionary school.
Yeah, you are. I
Alhamdulillah,
know
I have
that
read
you were in a
missionary
missionary school. I know that. There you used to say, you used to praise Jesus, and that was fine for you. But here, Ishwar Allah is a problem for you. But now let me ask you again. I am asking you that if national song is Vande Mataram, will you sing it? Yes or no?
See, this is again about my
So
religious
this
right.
is not about national
I
anthem and
have my
national song.
right
This
to
is
freedom
about
of
your
religion,
soul.
and this goes against my
आपकी
religious
सोच
values.
इस
You
प्रकार
can't
से
enforce it
इस्तेमाल
on
हो
me.
चुकी है
Vande
कि today
Mataram is
महात्मा
not
गांधी is
enforceable,
also
brother.
communist.
You read the constitution first. You can't enforce Vande Mataram on a Muslim citizen. No, please.
Okay,
But
so
is it a
one more
national
question.
song?
One more
Is
question.
it a
Ishwar Allah,
national
tero
song?
naam,
Yes
sabko
or
sammati de
no?
Allah.
Is it a national song? Yes or no? Vande Mataram.
Well, it's debatable. It's debatable on multiple fronts because India is a secular country.
It's debatable.
India is a secular country.
Debatable.
I mean, this is legally debatable.
How is it
This is legally
debatable?
debatable.
Vande
India
Mataram
a
is the
secular
national
country.
song. There's no debate on
There
it.
is no debate on it. It is the national song.
He is confusing with
No,
Pakistan.
this is
national
legally debatable because India is a secular country and you can't have a
अरे
communal
नेहरू
number
जी
for your
बनाकर गए थे
national ethics.
नेशनल
So
सॉन्ग
please.
आपके नेहरू जी जो आपको
अच्छा
पसंद
मुझे
है
ये
वो बनाए
बताइए
गए
माजिद
थे
हायदरी,
ऐसा भी नहीं कि बीजेपी ने किया
80s to 90s when Kashmiri Hindus were being killed in Kashmir, was Kashmir communal then?
No, if singing Gandhiji's bhajan will get pandits back, I'll say okay, Ishwar Allah, tero naam, sabko sammati de Allah.
पर मैं आपसे
What is the
सवाल
problem?
पूछूं, आप सवाल से क्यों भाग रहे हैं? अगर रघुपति राघव गाने से हिंदुत्व का एजेंडा हो जाता है तो 80 और 90 के बीच में फिर कम्युनल एजेंडा था ना?
One more question.
No, this is saffronization of Gandhian principles. You are trying to saffronize Gandhian
Chalo, I'll ask you one more question.
And this is what we have dispute over this.
Majid, one more question. Burhan Wani wanted to
I have two anchors questioning me. This is
it's
really
not two
unfair.
anchors. You have one panelist and one anchor, and both of us are flabbergasted that you are saying it's debatable that national song is Vande Mataram. Anyways, let me come
Okay,
to the
it's 2
point.
is to 1. Okay.
No, it's not 2 is to 1. It's 100. It's 140 crore
Yes.
is to 1. All Indians are wondering what you are saying. But now coming to the point. Burhan Wani wanted to create an Islamic state in Kashmir. Do you think Burhan Wani was peddling a communal, poisonous Islamist agenda?
No,
Any
why
other
should
terrorist?
we discuss Burhan Wani?
Because
over
you
the
are
rebels
saying
of
Ishwar
Mahatma
Allah is a
Gandhi? No,
Hindutva
please.
agenda of
Why
Mahatma
do you
Gandhi.
trivialize-
So
why
I am
do you
asking you,
trivialize
Burhan
Mahatma
Wani
Gandhi
was
all the
peddling
time?
an
No,
Islamic
this is-
caliphate agenda.
This is your conspiracy. You try to encash Mahatma Gandhi for your sinister design.
Killing of
You have a
Kashmiri
Hindutva agenda behind
Hindus
this.
was not a conspiracy. Driving Kashmiri Hindus out of Kashmir was not a conspiracy. But asking a question on Burhan Wani is a conspiracy. Majid Haidri, ये सोच कहां से लाते हैं आप?
Navika Sahiba, एक simple
आपका
point
कैमरा
है.
भी टेढ़ा हो गया
Bring
है।
one amendment.
अब
Bring one
हिंदुस्तानी
amendment in this
आपको
bhajan.
आपकी सोच के साथ साथ आपका कैमरा भी टेढ़ा हो गया है।
ये इनकी सोच
No,
ही
please
टेढ़ी
bring one amendment in this bhajan. Let's say, Ishwar Allah, tero naam, sabko sammati de Allah. The Muslim kids will chant it. There is no problem.
चलिए तो
Okay.
अल्लाह तो है ही उसमें, ईश्वर अल्लाह तेरो नाम,
नहीं।
तो अल्लाह तो
No,
है
we say सबको
उसमें,
सम्मति दे अल्लाह.
सबको
Because
सम्मति
हमारा
दे
धर्म
अल्लाह,
भ्रष्ट हो जाएगा वरना.
सबको सम्मति दे अल्लाह, हे खुदा, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, हमें तो कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं, आपको क्यों होती है?
कहना है
कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं हो रही, हमारा धर्म भ्रष्ट होता है इन शब्दों से.
अच्छा नहीं देखिए वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग अगर ईश्वर अल्लाह और भगवान एक साथ आ गया तो मेरा धर्म भ्रष्ट हो रहा है पर अगर जैश ए मोहम्मद आतंकवादी कह रहा है तो वो तब धर्म भ्रष्ट नहीं हो रहा है जब हिजबुल मुजाहिदीन कह रहा है और इतने पावन पाक इस्लाम के नारों का नाम का इस्तेमाल हो रहा है तब इनका धर्म भ्रष्ट नहीं हो रहा है अरे आपकी बुद्धि भ्रष्ट है माजिद हैदरी और आपका फ्रेम ने आपका सोच टेढ़ा हो चुका है आप खुद टेढ़े हो चुके हो कि आज महात्मा गांधी इनके लिए सांप्रदायिक है और बुरहान वानी इनके लिए सेकुलरिज्म और पीस का सबसे बड़ा पोस्टर बॉय है और ऐसी सोच को कैसे सुधारा जाए फ्रेम तो फिर भी सीधा हो जाएगा
माजिद हायदरी उठकर चले गए हैं या उनका फ्रेम कैमरा सीधा करने चले गए हैं या फ्रेम उनका सीधा नहीं हो रहा माजिद हायदरी जी सोच टेढ़ी क्यों है इतनी
नहीं सोच टेढ़ी नहीं है फ्रेम टेढ़ा हो गया
जैशे मोहम्मद का नाम बदनाम नहीं कर रहा
पर ईश्वर अल्लाह भगवान भ्रष्ट हो गया फिर अल्लाह का नाम
See, madam, you are trying to compare everything about terrorism with Mahatma Gandhi's values and principles. That is why I said this is an attempt to
अच्छा चलो
sacrifice
एक और
Gandhian
10
principles,
सेकंड है
Gandhian
तो एक और सवाल
ideology,
पूछ
and we condemn it.
10 सेकंड है तो एक
बस
और
10
सवाल
ही
हाँ।
सेकंड है।
महात्मा गांधी के प्रिंसिपल्स थे राम राज्य होना चाहिए, आप अग्री करते हैं कि राम राज्य सांप्रदायिक है?
देखिए, महात्मा गांधी ने कहा मुसलमानों का आदर करो। He said मोहम्मद
तो
अली
हम
जिन्ना
कौन सा
कायदे आज़म है।
नहीं,
Do you
आज
believe
तो
in that or
मोहम्मद
not?
और मोहित
अब
दोनों के घर में
question.
शौचालय बन रहा है भाई। आज तो शिल्पा और सुल्ताना दोनों को उज्ज्वला मिल रहा है भाई। ऐसा नहीं है कि जो दंगे होते थे भागलपुर के, हाशिमपुरा के, मुंबई
नहीं
के,
नहीं
के,
नहीं,
आज नहीं हो रहे।
मुसलमानों को सीए मिल रहा है, ट्रिपल तलाक मिल रहा है, मुसलमानों को हलाल बैन मिल रहा है,
ट्रिपल
हिजाब
तलाक
मिल
तो
रहा है,
सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने बोला, आपने बोला कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन की मानते हो।
मिल रहा है।
ट्रिपल तलाक में भी आपको दिक्कत है, आप चाहते हैं कि हिजाब पहनकर और ट्रिपल तलाक के अधीन रहे लड़कियां। वेल, दिस इज द थिंकिंग, दिस इज द थॉट प्रोसेस। लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन, वी ऑल ग्रोन अप सिंगिंग रघुपति राघव राजा राम, पतित पावन सीता राम, ईश्वर अल्लाह तेरो नाम, सबको सन्मति दे भगवान। But some in Kashmir have a problem with even that, because there is a problem with normalcy returning in Kashmir. Picture halls being opened, cinema halls coming, schools not being burnt down anymore, schools being constructed, libraries being made, cafes being made in schools and libraries. That is the normal and the Naya Kashmir. Where is the problem that some people in Kashmir having it from? That's the question we are asking. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen, for joining me on the News Hour tonight. Good night. Be safe.
The News Hour at 9 will be right back after the break.